Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Paneer Butter Masala. The required ingredients are Paneer, I have fried it, onions, butter, tomato, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, kaju, coriander powder, oil, bay leaves and cloves, 4 to 3, red chili powder, salt. Let's start cooking. Take a mixer bowl and add tomatoes, onions, kaju. Let's grind it. Paste is ready. Let's start cooking. Let's take a pan, add oil, sufficient oil, and butter. Let it heat. Oil is heated. Add cloves and bay leaves. Add ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder, red chili powder. Mix it well. Now add paste. Stir it well. Add sufficient salt, coriander powder, it's cooked perfect. Now add little bit water. Stir it well. Now it's time to add paneer. Mix it well and leave it for 10 minutes. It's perfectly cooked. Now let's take in a bowl. Paneer butter masala is ready. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.